Too many of us go through life taking our biggest asset for granted. No, I'm not talking about your car or your house or anything else you can touch. Your biggest asset is by far your ability to earn an income. Because without it, you won't be able to buy all those things that we're so precious about. But perhaps more importantly, you won't be able to provide for your family and their lifestyle. This is why income protection is such a critical part of a complete financial plan. Without it, you run the risk of all your plans going right out the window should you not be able to work anymore. So let's run through some quick facts on income protection, or IP cover as we call it. IP covers you in the event that you're no longer able to work due to sickness or injury, and you're generally able to claim up to 75% of your income. The benefit period generally ranges from around 2 years to right up to the age of 65, and some policies now even go up to the age of 67. Thirdly, the way your income is assessed depends on whether you have an indemnity or an agreed value policy. Now, in a nutshell, indemnity means that your income is assessed at time of claim, and agreed value is agreed at time of application. And yes, you can hold income protection through your superannuation. Whilst this can help with affordability of the premiums, there are significant differences in the type of cover and the benefits you can get through super. For example, you can only get an indemnity definition and not an agreed value. You also need to bear in mind that, of course, if you're paying premiums out of your superannuation balance, that may impact your superannuation balance at time of retirement. Lastly, if you do hold income protection cover in your own name, that is outside super, the premiums will be tax deductible, so make sure you claim that in your tax return each year. There are, as always, a host of other features and options to consider, like whether you want to go for level or stepped premiums, or what waiting period to apply to your policy. And these can all have a huge impact on the premiums you actually pay. So make sure you get good financial advice and get cover in place for your biggest asset, your income. That way, if anything happens to you and you are no longer able to work, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your family and their lifestyle is looked after. Have a great day.